Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo.
And Shruti, what's up?
What's up? How's your back?
Okay, it's doing well. Chal
It's
raha hai, सब कुछ.
recovering?
Yes, it's
Slowly,
recovering.
slowly.
All good. Yeah.
So we are back with round two.
Mm-hmm,
Round
mm-hmm.
two has arrived. But before that, do you want to say anything about round one or the after effects of that reaction?
No, not really. Because like,
Not really worth
what to
spending
say?
time on it.
Yeah,
Ha,
yeah,
ha.
yeah.
So a lot of comments, a lot of hate. That's all I'll say. It doesn't bother us at all because it literally takes half a second to press the block button. So, I mean, if y'all comment us with galis for just speaking our minds and being honest, then it doesn't say anything about us, everything about you, and it definitely gives us your address, which is the gutter. So if that's who you are, then discontinue with this video because you're not welcome on this channel. But everyone else who's happy to hear honest opinions, let's get on with round two. We said at the end of round one that we hope that a good track comes from the other side, because then it'll get
Yes,
interesting, you know.
yes,
So
yes.
apparently our hope has happened and I'm being told it's an 8-minute track, but I'm being told while it may contain a lot of galis, which is okay in a diss track, it also has substance. So,
Oh, really? Good, good.
yeah.
Very good.
So that's what we
Yeah.
like to see. And let's get into it. देखते हैं क्या आया है.
I'm actually, I must say, I'm quite surprised that you're choosing to react to this because last time, after the kind of hate that had come,
Mhm.
it was, one can very easily choose just who likes to hear all that rubbish. Yeah? So
So
like,
I'll,
it's very easy to take a step back and say कि क्यों फालतू में क्यों उसके अंदर पढ़ना है, not because one is getting affected with it, but it's more like who likes to
why
hear that?
bother?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, yeah.
I'll tell
Yeah.
you why I decided to continue, because we don't cover his tracks generally in life, because that hate has been experienced. So I don't want that audience. I don't. He's happy. He's doing his thing. We've addressed this in the last reaction. People who didn't watch the last reaction completely and left comments in the under the video, I had nothing to say to those, because I was like, if you watch the entire video, all of these things have been answered in it. So that's one. So offline, after this beef, we will not be covering his music anyway. That's a standard practice here. We're covering this beef, and we are obviously going to get hate because the audience is that way, majority of it. But if they think that they're going to bully us by sending us nasty, vile messages and even rape threats, then that's not going to happen, because
that's too much.
we're not going
Like,
to get
that's
bullied.
like,
We'll do what we need to do and what we want to do.
matlab, like,
So tough.
can we
Deal
just
with it.
realize for a second that this is music?
Yeah.
We're talking about music, you know? So what is this threat agenda? I don't get it.
Because they are only here to serve their egos. They're only here to hear praise. They're not here to care about the art or anything, that.
Music is supposed to be like bridging gaps. Music is something which is like a universal language. उस पे कैसे ठीक है चलो सही है
Yeah.
सही है.
And also the third point was कि हम beef cover कर रहे हैं तो हम करते रहेंगे. We're not gonna, like, we've started, so we're gonna end it. But we can't just then cover one artist now, because then it'll be like I'm watching a tennis match with half my screen covered. I'm just watching one player. We're gonna watch both the players do their thing, and if you don't like how we give our opinions, then just don't watch. It's that simple. Leave. Okay, let's get on with the show.
Yes.
I am not really gonna say the name of the track. We can read it. Let's get into
Okay.
it. Chalo.
Huh.
Emiway's
Wait,
response to Lil Bunty. Huh.
Sorry, I was saying just before you do 3, 2, 1, let me just change my this
Huh.
because my one airport is running out of battery. Yeah, चलो दो नहीं लगा देते. Okay.
Okay, it says explicit, and we are ready. 1, 2, 3, play. Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
मुझे 3 बार लगा गाना खत्म हो गया.
I know.
And I just, हाँ, मतलब like, okay, okay. So, just to get started, how I had done, like I really had to work hard towards separating everything out. And initially, I have to, you know, वो जो Aladdin वाली line थी and everything. Starting में जब आई थी, I was actually enjoying it because you're right, like you said, कि इसके अंदर सिर्फ गाली नहीं है, गाली बहुत सारी है.
Yeah.
और कुछ ऐसी गालियां हैं, which I mean, I'll come to that later. But first, to complete my first thought, which was basically that there were definitely bars. There were definitely bars which also kind of made you laugh. Like,
For sure.
You know that he's capable of that. You know how last time also we'd said that you can see that there is a reason. There's a reason he, matlab, okay, flow की बात करते हैं पहले, okay? Flow, because it's impossible to talk about him without not talking about galis. So I'm really trying hard, but हर lane ना जिसकी भी बात करो वो गाली पे end होती है. तो then वहाँ आके मेरी break लग जाती है. So I'm like, okay, wait, अब इसकी बाद में बात करेंगे. पहले flow. हाँ. Flow changes were really good. You know that one part where he went full chopper type, like 3/4 of the, I think 6-minute mark, yeah, maybe 5. I don't know exactly when, but there was this one part where he went full chopper, and there the flow was really good. At one point when he was trying to get in, I think different songs, he did a lot of references of different songs, right?
Yeah.
So unko jis tarah weave in kiya gaya tha within his flow, that was very good. Like it was so smooth. When you're listening to it, it was just one thing flowed into the next very nicely, you know. And the beat,
You frozen.
the beat was very like it constantly.
Oh, okay.
Oh, am I? Okay.
Little, your network is slowed down.
So, you know, the flow was so good. The beat was so good that there is no way that you could stop yourself from actually moving to it. And I was really enjoying it till the point, lyrically, he spoke about Krishna's mom. You cannot go to parents. I mean, in my, okay, let's consider. Normal गाली देने से we get a little irked up. यहाँ पे आप म्यूजिक वगैरह को छोड़ के, सब चीजों को छोड़ के, you're going and attacking parents directly. Like you're attacking mother. For what? And then third line में he's coming back and saying कि actually उनकी गलती नहीं है, you were like that and whatever. अरे तो पहले ही वो बोलना था ना. Because
But
then you're basically talking about it also. That's what I'm saying. So when you're talking about it, but then just to अपना उल्लू सीधा करने के लिए one turns around and that's a मुहावरा. I'm not calling him a ullu just in case, you know, there are kids listening who don't know कि मुहावरे क्या होते हैं. किसी का उल्लू सुधारने का मतलब होता है कि when you kind of say something, but then you kind of try and flip it and make sure that you have your side cleared up just to clear it. Yeah. So when he was doing that time it became very like, not done. So it disconnected me so much after that line. It took me a really long time. बीच में मैं सुन रही थी, I was like, if I hadn't gone into that, if I hadn't got thrown back, I would have enjoyed this line. ये line भी अच्छी थी. Okay, यहाँ पे, so it took me good कि ये गाना कुछ like मतलब कितने 8 मिनट 11 सेकंड का है. Because आधे से ज्यादा गाना दिमाग में वो फिल्टर बैठाने के लिए कि avoid the गाली, avoid the गाली, avoid the गाली, 6 मिनट तक आप वही कोशिश कर रहे होते हो. कि and जो, you know, after he spoke badly about the mother, तो उसके बाद मुझे कुछ I think 3-4 मिनट लगे just to bounce back and try and get into the song because it had just miffed me off completely and I was like no but I need to do this because I'm sitting here and I'm listening. अगर मैं otherwise सुन रही होती मैं वहीं पे गाना बंद कर देती, लेकिन यहाँ कर नहीं सकते, right? हम सुन रहे हैं. So then I continued and I was like okay ठीक है. End में जाके कहीं पे finally I could push that outside, you know, out of my head and focus again and again. Almost at the end, the lyrics again got, there was no गाली for like कुछ ऐसे few crazy 3-4 लाइनें थी जहाँ पे एक भी गाली नहीं थी या बहुत ही कोई छोटी सी गाली होगी. So there again I was like, oh wow, this is so good, this is so good. And then that flow was going on and everything, and then galis took over again. And I tried really hard. And I'm honestly telling you, I genuinely tried hard.
I also did.
Affected नहीं हूँ.
I mean, the galias didn't affect me because I was expecting them. I figured that that's the regular vocab that this guy or his audiences relate to.
Yeah. By the end of it, it became very, very, very personal. It was almost like आप किसी को सुन रहे हो जिसकी बहुत पुरानी hurt है या जो भी है, the person's been very hurt and he's been carrying that hurt for a really long time. And जब आप पर्सनली गुस्से के अंदर आके बात नहीं करते कि आपको इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है कि आपकी जो वो हर्ट है, यू फाइनली आर गिविंग इट वर्ड्स, एंड बिकॉज यू आर नॉट यूज्ड टू बीइंग इमोशनल एंड एक्चुअली बीइंग वल्नरेबल, द ओनली वे यू नो हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस इज टू गिव गाली, बिकॉज एटलीस्ट गाली देने से आपके अंदर का जो भड़ास है वो निकल रहा है. सो बाय द एंड ऑफ इट मेड मी क्वेश्चन दैट, because you know how I didn't understand anything of that whole thing he was saying ke unhone wo gana isliye banaya tha, usne wo gana isliye banaya tha because ye hua tha, usne iski baat ki thi, you know, there was that one whole verse where
I'll
he's
tell
talking
you.
about,
Yeah.
है ना. So I had वो तो पूरा ही मतलब कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया, because I was like obviously ये कुछ
There's
political,
history.
you know, कुछ हाँ, there's history. So that history part was completely all I could hear in, you know, Emiway's voice was hurt. And I was like, oh, the real issue is he's either feeling left out or he's feeling hurt or he's been previously hurt and abhi uski khundas nikal rahi hai. So suddenly then I was like, okay, so the whole thing is very personal. It has nothing to do about a diss or anything. The whole reason why this back and forth and this anger is going on, actually a bahut hi personal baat hai. It felt like a personal diary ka entry. You know what I mean? So then I was like, okay, theek hai. So that's the other thing that I took out of it. But overall,
You're being
will I
very
listen
polite.
to it? I mean, what else? I'm just going to be me. Just because someone else is, I mean, I have to be honest to who I am. I cannot suddenly change just because कोई मान लो कि जो fans हैं वो आके मुझे गाली देते हैं, तो मैं in turn उनको गाली नहीं दूंगी ना, because मैं वैसी नहीं हूँ. So I'm not going to turn myself to that person. So I'm just being super honest. And like we said last time, we tend to always see the plus points in a person because, like I said last time, he's got talent. Yeah, everyone knows that. He's very, very talented. And he's got great flows. Lyrically नहीं समझ आता मेरे को, because मुझे गालियां पसंद नहीं है सुननी, and that's a personal choice I'm taking. So अगर किसी को पसंद है, I'm sure that's why they enjoy his music. मुझे नहीं है पसंद गालियां, तो I don't enjoy the music. Simple. तो बस.
So
what do you feel?
Oh my God. Should I start?
What is that? ढक्कन खुलने का, like fun full ऐसा, like that needs to happen.
I just want to first talk about the length of this song, because it was like, I don't understand how you need an 8-minute song. I honestly, as much as I will point out the good and the stuff that I liked and didn't like about the song, which we did last time as well, that standard MO, but I just want to talk about how long this was. And I honestly checked at 4 minutes and then at 6 minutes again, 6:17, I think it was. And I was like, how much more? I thought it's over. And then it went into another verse. And I was like, holy crap, what is going on? Aren't you done like saying everything? The thing is, he had that, I don't know if it counts as a hook, but there was a few, 4 lines that he repeated. But it was very, but it was like placed very oddly. So I don't know if it was in between each verse or if it, like, I don't know. I'm going to go through the lyrics with you, because then we can actually discuss the things that were said. But honestly, 8 minutes. And then I heard that solar eclipse wala line ki solar eclipse hota hai 7.5 minute ka. So I'm like, okay, so he wanted to use this bar. So that's why he said ki तू है like you are 7.5 minute का solar eclipse, तो मैं उससे भी लंबा हूँ या उससे भी ज्यादा हूँ, मेरा कहर or whatever it is, मेरा presence उससे ज्यादा है. So that's why he extended it to 8 minutes. Is that the logic he used when he was making the song? Because he could have easily skipped those couple of hooks that he repeated,
Yeah.
and just made it more compact. And also in a diss, I mean, it's really up to the rapper, but I don't think you really need to have a hook in a diss track. You want to have it, it's your call. But 8 was like really stretching it. And the thing is, I had to keep like doing that.
Imagine if 8 minutes ka ek edited abridged version nikle jisme koi galiyan na ho. You just take only the bits which are like non-gali and like put a, maybe someone
that removes 60% of the lines. Like, I'm honestly saying 60 to 65% of the lines will go if you remove the gali wali lines. So theek hai, isme galiyan thi. I'm not gonna mute it because that was only galis. This is galis with other bars and stuff as well. I'm definitely gonna mute the lines that I didn't like, because that stuff does not go on my channel for sure. But coming to exactly what you said, where I didn't like, I had got some like spoilers offline, because as much as I try to escape them, I can't like as much as I watch on mute and things like that, some stories I pop up and a line I read. So I knew that something has been said about parents, something has been said about, so I knew it's gone very personal. But when I was actually listening to the lines and what was said, because it came up like 2 or 3 times, I was like, bro, that is like, every individual has their own moral compass. So yes, you can probably justify by saying, oh, he said girlfriend lines before and he said them this thing. So if that's your justification to go even worse, then I don't know, because you can
but he was also not right in saying that those girlfriends.
We pointed that out as well. Yeah,
exactly. Point is not that. I mean, he was also wrong.
No, I'm saying the justification from the fans will be that. So for us, as the two of us, we called that out as well, and we called this out as well. If you keep the fight man to man, it's just so much better, because, and like, really, some things have got to be sacred. I mean, it's just, I mean, I'm just angry that it's gone to this level. It's upsetting me to no end, and it's just,
I think after the previous one, this one is not upsetting me at all.
Really? This one is upsetting me more because
previous one, I didn't expect it. And when he said, remember how affected I was by the end of it. So that's because I wasn't expecting it. अब मेरे को पता लग गया ना कि क्या level है. तो अब मेरे को I'm like, हाँ ठीक है. Just like the moment it begins to affect, zone out. ठीक है.
Yeah, so but like, moms are sacred. So I just like that really just like pisses me off. So anyway, that aside, you guys will justify it however you want to. We're just telling you how we feel about both those sides on this particular topic. So that really then snapped me out as well. And then, of course, I think he had a whole like verse which was aimed specifically at Raftaar, which was actually a good verse, and even he imitated his voice, which was done really well. Yeah. I was surprised for a second. I was like, did he pick Raftaar's voice from that song, or is this him? It confused me for a second.
This is what I mean. It was actually entertaining. Like, the way he was doing it.
So that's the thing, like that entire section was very strong. Not just the voice imitation, but also the bars he used there and the attacks he came with, very strong. I didn't like the personal attack there, because again, that's it's hearsay. It's based on hearsay. And then if you use something, an allegation like that, and put it in a song that's going to stay around till the end of time, then I feel like you're opening up a lawsuit for yourself. I don't know. But, I don't know if that happens in India, but if it happens it definitely happens, like defamation suits and all. So if that's based on hearsay and there's, literally there's no proof behind those lines, then it's very wrong to do that again. So again, I'm going to talk about the bits that were a little too, but that portion was strong in terms of the attacks he came with. And then I felt like I said, I checked the time around 6:17, 6:20, and I was like, is it over? But then another verse started. And then that last verse was actually strong again. What I didn't like, oh my God, there was a whole section in the start. It was very like, the starting 3-4 lines, the whole daddy's home and this, that. Like, it was very like, you call me.
It was trying too hard.
It was trying too hard.
He should have done it, but he should have done it. Like, I mean, I would have enjoyed it more if it was done.
Concise.
Ad-lib just पीछे से, कि like ज़्यादा उसको focus नहीं करने का, like just.
और उसपे 4 line आपने बता दी, 4-5 line जो भी थी. If you had concisely done it and you had hit back at the daddy's home in a very short and like, brevity is a virtue ना sometimes. ये तो I mean पूरे गाने में है ही नहीं, लेकिन the whole spinning, you have to answer back to the things that were said in Lil Bunty. So, but the answer back is also happening for one line. There are 4 lines answering it. You know what I'm trying to say? It's being overdone. So that OD was happening, and it happened in the start. And then in the middle, there were some lines again, which was spoken. That whole middle portion with the spoken lines was very full of galis, if I remember correctly.
But maybe that four time answering is required. Sorry, just to cut you. Because Krishna ki ek baar mein wahi hota hai na. He gives so many multi-layer meanings that if you want to answer back to every meaning in the same line which you want to, I guess that's why. But I agree with you completely that it became too much. Like,
Yeah, and I'll tell you what I mean when we go through the lyrics. But that whole like spoken section in the middle came again. Before it went into, I don't know, the hook again or the third word, I can't remember now. And then at the end again, that whole talk at the end. These were portions, and the ha ha ha, and the laugh for me, those were the weakest parts. They were the most juvenile parts. It was like high school mein do ladke lad rahe hain and they're like, you're monkey, no, you're monkey, ha ha ha. You know, it was like literally like I felt like, okay, let's guys, like time out, let's finish this. So that happened, but let's go through the lyrics. I'm obviously not going to read out lines that I didn't like, and then we can actually discuss what we want to say in detail. We're not going to go through Rohan's breakdown because we realized the last time we did that there was a lot of stuff that we wanted to talk about the lyrics that we couldn't because we were just watching passively as spectators. So we'll just go through this. We'll watch Rohan's breakdown later, and it's also a very long one, so because of her back we won't have time. So चलो, okay. लहरों से कर रहे थे बातें, अब होगी सुनामी से, नाम है बंटाई का छोटे, तभी तो ये चल रहे मेरी बदनामी से. Okay, ha ha ha, laugh. So this was answering the last line of Krishna.
I saw Tsunami and I was only looking at you. कि अभी she's going to have a grammar issue.
I know. The S ना, मतलब T को तो हम there's no time for tea basically. Okay, beta papa aa gaye wap. This part the papa kept going on and I was like, oh geez, beta papa aa gaye wapas, daddy's home. And then he mimicked him, I think there. Yes, beta aa gaya main wapas na, thoda bahar gaya tha kaam se, papa happened. Then awaaz kam karo beta zara, papa kuch bolenge abhi. And then papa
ki part rakh lete. Just
this,
the second part.
But it continues. Papa ki bari hai na, udhar baitho chupchap. So it's just like I'm seeing
kuch bhi ek chalta.
Yeah,
you know, but I know. Okay,
I'm seeing 9 lines here, so it's like, okay. Fans se bulata hai tu anyway, which I think happened at his show. Manifest hua kiya tujhe anyway. Okay, Aya. I didn't know the meaning of this word, by the way.
Oh, I'm saying for a change, just try you anyway not speaking the galis. How would it sound if it was without gali? I like. You can just keep saying it.
This is the radio edit. आया ने को तुझे बेटा दिन रात, फैंस तेरे बोलेंगे अब बस anyway. Okay, repeat. Okay, तू और तेरा गैंग ठसने लगा है. What is ठसने?
Thasne or thasne?
THASSNE.
That could be thasne also. Like, I mean, in English it'll be, so maybe like thasna is when you get into the zameen, right? You get dafna out into the zameen when you start sinking.
Oh, okay. तू और तेरा गैंग ठसने लगा है, कोल्ड वाइब वाला रैपर अभी हंसने लगा है.
हाँ, ये कोल्ड वाइब वाला रैपर मतलब?
I don't know because Krishna says he's cold, but he's हंसने लगा मतलब क्या हुआ?
Like cool. Is he trying to say like a cool rapper? So like cold vibe wala rapper, like that? Like, is there a pun on that?
I don't know. But this was a strong bar. मैं हूँ अलादीन पूरा करा तेरा dream जब से तू चिराग मेरा हंसने लगा. Like, I mean,
yeah.
It is a strong bar. करा मैंने काम इतने साल बिना नींद लिए दिया तुझे this. Okay, so he apparently wrote this overnight. पूरा किया तेरा dream बना नीम इस गाने में कड़वा, गैंगस्टर की एक्टिंग कर रेला ये. Okay, good. Okay, लटके जा रहा. See, I can't read any of these lines.
Jyoti's radio edit is going to be called Okay.
Yes, that's the name of the track. कि काफी समय से तू बचते जा. Okay. बच के जाएगा कैसे, बोल नमस्ते भाईजान, सांप हूं मैं हड्डियां तोड़ेगा तेरा पाइथन. Okay, fine, that's a strong line. माइक ऑन साले हैं कौन, कोलैब किया डिस किया तभी बना पहचान. No cap. Listen, this can apply to him also, na? This can apply to both. He also collabed with Raftar and then dissed him. So, and then Pehchan bana. So anyway, so there's the history, na? He was friends and they worked together. He collabed. He was supported apparently by Raftar. Then he heard something in an interview and that pissed him off and he started dissing Raftar out of nowhere. So that's the history. And then things blew up. And then Raftar stopped responding after like I think 2 tracks. So anyway, so collab kiya, diss kiya, tabhi bana pehchan. No cap. So I mean, history repeats itself. बेजान तेरे गाने मेरे बिना, ये गाने की भी जरूरत नहीं थी, पहले से हूँ विनर माँ कसम. Oh, he's used his song name. This game में हम बैठे ले बाप, हाँ ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच खत्म, खाऊंगा मैं डिनर OG. Okay, fine. So another song name. Breakfast मतलब छोटे पहला beef दम है, lunch खत्म किया दूसरे में भी जीत no loss. Another song name. Dinner करूंगा तू dinner नहीं है साले, तू dessert है मीठे, पहले खाऊंगा मैं sweet pinky. Okay, interesting. I think this whole section was so he could use the song names, which is what even Krishna did in some of his bars. Okay, Gali de, this was not a very strong section for me. Gali deta kyun ki bantai hai street. Okay, so this is why I give galis, because I'm street. Beta Mumbai ke sadkon mein, that's how it is. Sign. Say my name, le dal tere laya bantai ne dis. Okay, so fine, that's his thing. Fans se bulata hai, okay, then that's the chorus repeat. Two or okay, this chorus is also like 12 lines. Huh? Okay, next. आइंदा से जाना नहीं बंदी पे तू, ये बात भूल मत निकेला किसी बंदी से तू, सही बोला मेरे बंदी के बारे में और पिंकी बहुत सैड है, भूल गया तेरा बंटाई ही डैड है, याद रख बेटा फैमिली पे गया तो मी है छोकरा बंदा बहुत बैड है. ओके, क्लियरली. कोल्ड वाइब बैठी ठंडी में तू, सबको मालूम है कितना टाइम लगेगा बे बुरा बोलने में, खराब करूं. See again.
So he's sentences, quarter
no,
sentences.
I know maybe I'll just cut this whole part out.
No, it's fun. Huh.
But see again, he's like, I will kyun karu izzat kharab, but you're you know you're, I don't know. गलती माँ की नई औलाद की है, दिल्ली का नाम तेरे जैसे लोगों ने बर्बाद किया है. Really? Okay. How? I don't know. Like the thing is, you have to come with attacks which are also like they have substance. Now they make sense. Anyway, रखा जरा गौर तो फरमा, कैसी बातें कर रही आर्टिस्ट तेरी तू. Oh, okay. Now he's addressing Raftar because he calls him Rakhi. Na? राखी जरा गौर तो फरमा, कैसी बातें कर रही आर्टिस्ट तेरी, तू खुद भी जानती है लेकिन नहीं बड़ा यही सिखाएगा, दूसरों के बंदियों के बारे में बुलवाएगा, अपने आर्टिस्ट से बुरी बुरी चीजें मारता है को तू क्या सिखाएगा. And then the ad lib there is facts. So this is what I mean. Like, how do you know his facts? I'm just saying. It's not like there was, it's too freaking, like personal hearsay, people's personal shit, which like
every time you say hearsay, all I'm thinking was objection, hearsay. That meme is going through my head. No, the whole Johnny Depp defamation case.
I was just coming to that. Because we just had such a very closely followed around the world kind of case around these lines, and I'm not saying I know what the truth is. I don't. You and I don't. But there was no such public case or anything of the sort about the people in question here. So when you attack someone with a line like that, it's based on hearsay. How would you know, right? And that's a very strong allegation.
No, but like, okay, just to be devil's advocate here, okay, just for purely discussion's sake.
Yeah.
In songs and musically, like, jab aap generally, especially like this likh rahe ho, the whole point is that you want to get back at the person, so you're going to hit where it hurts. Or supposedly, while writing, one is thinking. Ab uske andar, if one begins to think creative liberty, it is like creative liberty versus, law kind of putting a ban on your speech, right? So then this then goes towards free speech ka issue. Ke agar whatever he speaks, and if there is a law ka issue that is being raised through it, then the question gets raised about free speech. That is
the thing everyone loves to use, the free speech angle. However, there are laws against defamation as well and false accusations, right? So
yes, that's what I was trying to get to.
Yeah.
That normally anybody would say that, what about the creative license? And if I be the devil's advocate in that case, then also one has to be careful of how much creative liberty one is taking. Kis had tak aap ja rahe ho, and kitna is okay, kitna is not okay.
Yeah. So
kaun decide karega?
So tomorrow if I diss you, I'll say, oh, Shruti stole my laptop and ran away. Okay, just say, because it's right in front of me. Or Shruti took a gun and shot my dog and ran away. Okay, I'm just saying.
Never.
I know you would never. I can just say it in a song.
Correct.
And then you
if it
can
was
sue
minded
me
to that level, exactly.
like
That
you're
man
now
honey ka case.
yeah, so then I'll say, okay, she stole my jewelry and my laptop and she ran away, we were flatmates. Okay, I'll say it in a song. The song is going to stay on YouTube till the end of time.
Yeah.
And
now, even if I didn't do that, my image will become that, and I
thousands
can
of
then
people
raise a question against the image. Correct. Absolutely.
That's what I mean. Like how I can just say anything now about anyone. Usne ye kiya hai.
Correct.
It's just, I mean, come on, dude. I'm just saying that, look, I don't want to get into anyone's personal business and nobody should. But this is like the whole topic here is of allegation, false or not false. Who knows? Do you really know? And if you don't really know with proof and facts, then don't use it in a thing because you're opening yourself up for a lawsuit, dude. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, because like in a diss, you want to see facts. You don't want to see शायद ये हुआ है and people are saying कि ये हुआ है तो मैं attack करूंगा इसको use करके. I want to see facts in a diss. Okay, anyway.
Good point. Very good point. Yeah. Now let's dial back and get into the what if zone.
Yeah. Limit में रह वरना मुंह खुल जाएगा. गजनी मैं
अभी भी मुंह खुलेगा.
और कितना. Anyway, गजनी है short बेटा सब भूल जाएगा. Okay. दूंगा गालियां भागेगा जैसे माल्या. मैं जैसे इंडिया भिड़ने फिर से नहीं आएगा. चल ए. Okay, छोटे come out to play. हर रात को बोलता हूँ. This I thought was a self goal. Did you feel the same? He said छोटे का हर रात को बोलता हूँ मैं मेरे सही बात है. छोटे कौन है सबको मालूम. रा. So he called Raftaar.
Yeah.
And he said yes, छोटे. Yes, it is छोटे. So in a very twisted way.
So in effect, he's telling himself that because it's a part of his own body.
Yeah, okay. But yeah. He's naming it after Raftaar. So it's very funny because I feel like it's a self goal. It's too twisted. So anyway, ठीक है. So it's a good try. खड़ा बेटा सीन में मैं चौड़ से तू कारीगर माँ कसम खड़ा खोदे हावड़े से. Okay. और क्या करूँ शक्ल तेरी मिलती है. Okay, so because I can only think of these words when I look at you, that's the point. सारे facts जब attack करूँ तुझे, biggest independent rapper बुलाते हैं मुझे. 15 साल से तू कर रहा है काम, जब से diss किया मुझे, तब से जानते हैं तुझे. Oh, तो again, fine. He is the biggest independent rapper. He's not had a label. All that is facts. Agreed. Very nice. This whole thing about since you diss me, people know you, also applies to him, na? Because before that he was also relatively less known, much less known.
Maybe, but the bar that he's using, that's also valid, no?
It's valid. It's totally valid. I'm just saying it applies both ways. So anyway, okay. कुर्बानी तेरी बाटूंगा गोश्त तेरे मीठे हैं मेरे बहुत मीठे दोस्त. सीधा शॉट तुझे देखे सीधा दोस्त देते सीधा शॉट तुझे देखे से आगे मेरी बढ़ती नहीं सोच. Same thought. So तुझे देख के मुझे यही words याद आते हैं. इससे आगे मेरी बढ़ती नहीं सोच and all those galis. Okay. Wow.
Very obsessive, I must say. Then
vocab is like amazing. Rap god हूँ मैं ही rap devil. Okay. चट्टानी पत्थर तू झाड़ भर का pebble. Okay. तू कर सकता कॉपी मेरा फ्लो मेरा स्टाइल मेरा वीडियो का वाइब not my level. Okay, so you're copying my flow, you're copying my style and my video का vibe, but you can't copy my level. Interesting. Okay. मालिक करता है मेरा देखभाल बे उखाड़ भी नहीं पाएगा तू मेरा एक बाल. Okay. अगर चलता रहेगा ऐसा चाल सही बात बोला स्टेज पे तू खत्म है ये साल. Okay. इतना सॉफ्ट कौन बनाता बेटा डिस भारी डिस बनाने का तो लो पप्पा से टिप्स. ओनली फैंस से मिलेंगे तेरे ठुकाई के क्लिप्स. सिर्फ 7.5 मिनट का है सोलर एक्लिप्स. इस वजह से 8 मिनट का गाना रखा है. लाइक दिस आई जस्ट okay, mind boggling. So I don't know, was that this soft? Lil Bunty, he's calling it soft. I mean कहने के तो like ठीक है.
I didn't think so.
Yeah, neither did I. like that was anyway. कौन रोकेगा रोशनी को और 15 साल मेरे तक पहुंचने को. Okay, इतना बचकाना गाना कौन डालता है और थोड़ा टाइम लेता सोचने को. See, so he's saying it was the
Wait a minute.
softest.
So you're saying वो कितने मिनट का था वो गाना? Any idea?
3 minutes ना, both were 3
तो अगर
minutes.
3 मिनट का जो डिस डाला, that provoked him enough to give a 8 मिनट 11 सेकंड का गाना. How is that? Like if it was that ठंडा, like you know, if you're like it was very soft, like it was ये कैसा टाइप का है, तो then तो इतने लंबे गाने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी ना. Like just saying. Okay.
या मतलब लॉजिक थोड़ा मिसिंग लग रहा है इधर. हराएगा मुझे तू ये सिर्फ कहावत है, पब्लिक को मालूम की बंटाई फुल आफत है. आर्ट की जगह, दिस वाज अ गुड लाइन, आई लाइक दिस लाइन. आर्ट की जगह पे 9 दिखाया बे, एक्स्ट्रा उंगली करने की तुझे बेटा आदत है. दिस वाज गुड.
Nice.
दिस वाज इंटेलिजेंट, आई लाइक दिस. बेटा बाप तेरा वहां पे तू यहाँ पर हो. बेटा बाप तेरा वहां पे तू यहाँ पर हो. लाइन चोरी करते हो तुम कैसे रैपर हो. I mean, these are
now
clapbacks.
But I'm curious. Yeah, but I'm very curious now. Which lines is he talking about?
No, he's at the jump. Chal Chote Jump Kar was from his thing, but he was. That's what you do in a diss, na? You use each other's flows and
that's not chori.
No, that's not chori.
Yeah, okay.
That's just clapbacks.
Maybe he's talking about something else. हाँ, okay.
I don't know. Pinky बोलती है real in the scene. मुझे नहीं लगता तुम असली रैपर हो. Then करारे खाओ comes that voiceover. Krishna's ad. इसके बाद चैन से तुम सो ना पाओ. Okay, that was the whole gold chain and all that वाला line in that ad, ना? Okay, this was nice. ले है रे तू और बंटाई है legend. रास्ता नहीं मेरे आगे मैं हूँ तेरा dead end. Okay, that's nice. जन्नती सोच इसलिए life मेरा heaven. CR Kamara में CR7. Okay, so nice. This was nice. Karor Kamara में CR7. I think that's Ronaldo, right? And then he goes into the football bits. Balling Neymar, which was from that Krishna song. Messi है life. तेरी जिंदगी है बेकार. Nice. Honesty बोलता हूँ. Honest ही नहीं है तू. गाने में तेरे हाँ बंदा तू बेईमान. Okay. Fine. मैं मेरे पंटर आज भी सुनते स्टूडियो में दिन रात काम करें जमकर. धापे मेरा फ्लो कहता नकलची बंदर. I mean, that's not really.
See, this is what's.
But he did it first, now.
कौन से like it can't just be clapbacks. This is sounding like he's talking about something else.
No, but the thing is, he took his flow first, na, in his first round one ka first song, and then Krishna did the clapback with his flow from. It's a general like a given thing, and this is so I don't know why. So this is what I meant. This bit was like, okay, now you called me a nakalchi bandar, I'll also call you a nakalchi. This is what was happening. So this is what I meant over here. Dhape mera flow kehta nakalchi bandar. Then silver back tu hai whack bantai lion of the jungle, and then one roar sound. शुक्र करूं हम मार नहीं खा रहे. बेटा सामने तो आ तेरी नहीं मार रहे. मेरे पंटर असल में लगा देंगे लंगर. That's his song. लफड़े की बात मत कर 34 के अंकल. See, again, this is so juvenile for me because like this whole auntie uncle thing, like let's get over it. Like if that's an gali, I don't know. Anyway, बना मैं अमीर कान सुने तरसे गाने मेरे दंगल. खुशती ये सोचते मैं गया आउट ऑफ संपर्क. खुशती ये सोचते मैं गया आउट ऑफ संपर्क. बोल बच्चन शान पट्टी मियाँ जरा कम कर. राखी नचा रही और तू पंक्चर देख मेरा मंजर. सूरज है बंटाए तू आसपास भटक रेला मंगल और चांद. फिर से मरवाएगी ऑटोमेटिक खुलेगा बीच में से.
So just I want some. He thinks giving women names to people is gali.
I don't know.
So for him, just that gender exchange equals to direct gali, is it?
No,
because
so
everything is around that.
No, right? The whole thing is even Krishna has done this in his earlier beefs, like in Maharani, where you give a character to the person you're dissing. So you're changing the gender. So that's insulting. Correct. That's a thought.
Which I find so strange. Because it's like, किसी को गाली देनी है तो so what are you trying to say? Being a woman is a gali? Okay, that tells a lot about
but
you. Please
they,
continue.
yeah, also
Yeah.
because then they think it's weak, and that's why they use the homophobic things also, because they are weak
And
and
then
all.
they attack mothers.
So,
Correct. Makes sense. It's all in the theme.
but the funny thing is, they say that we don't disrespect women,
But
which I find
it's not
so
दिख रहा है
hilarious.
ना.
Because look at your lingo. Because then you're saying ki when I look at you, these are the words that come to mind, and these are all words that you use to insult women. So if these words are so frequent in your vocab, in your everyday lingo, then I don't know what your claim is about being respectful of a particular gender. Anyway, it's just very like,
ठीक है.
I don't know, man. It's just very like weird, everything. So, okay, anyway, in these lines, he's now replying to that automatic tange wala thing, and then anaconda, whatever, rap gunda, bad munda, I don't know.
You're
I
almost
can't,
bored. You're like, आगे चलो अभी.
because it's so like, dude, I'm only halfway through. It's very long. We have freaking hell. This whole part was very like, 1 second. I can't even read these next two lines. Anyway, बिना डिस किए पोक किए गाना जरा डाल, बिना प्रमोशन यूट्यूब पे वीडियो निकाल, फिर देखता हूँ हाइप तेरा, कभी नहीं डेड होगा हाइप मेरा, कभी नहीं, सब ऑर्गेनिक, डोंट पैनिक.
Because Gali is evergreen.
Listen, सब organic, don't panic. This is the best rhyme.
It's a nice one though.
Okay.
Some organic, don't panic.
Independent number one.
Yeah.
For an organic supermarket.
Yes.
Okay. Independent number one rapper is देश का हकीकत, खाली हवा भरेला तू पैकेट है लेस का. Okay. अपन है रुपया तू डॉलर विदेश का. This again I felt was a self goal, because I was like, okay, his thought is I'm desi or videshi, so that's my comeback at you. But if you're calling yourself a rupaya and the dollar hai videsh ka, the value of a dollar is higher, no?
मतलब currently it's the lowest it's ever been.
I mean, compared to rupee, there's a yeah.
But anyway, what I don't get is there is no like, it's not like, I don't see that as a diss. This is like saying one is desi, other is videshi. उसमें diss क्या है? मतलब I didn't get that as a gal. I didn't look at it as a back.
See, it would have worked if Krishna was a English only rapper. You know what I mean? Even in that, the logic would have applied. कि मैं बहुत पूरा देसी हूँ, तुम नहीं हो. But Krishna is also equally desi. The whole thought here is the currency.
Got
and the currency I feel is sounding like a self goal, because then you're only saying कि your value is way lower than dollar's value. Technically, that's what it comes down to. So anyway, बहुत try बेटा, मैं नहीं तेरी gang कर रही. Okay, मैं नहीं तेरी गैंग बहुत ट्राई कर रही, लेकिन फिर भी हरा नहीं पा रहे. ओके, अंडरग्राउंड दफनाया डॉलर को, खर्चा देने पाब्लो इसको बाहर निकाले. ओके, डिवाइन ने मिलाया तुझे शो के बाद. Fine, now here we are coming to history.
Yes.
So Divine apparently introduced.
For me, this was the most interesting part, because यहाँ से पूरी gossip शुरू हो रही है basically. So purely for gossip reasons,
give us the
I
tea.
was like, I need to
here's the tea that was dropped in the tsunami. It's coming.
Wow, nice, very nice.
Thank
very
you.
good one.
Thank you.
बस I think हम रुक सकते हैं अभी, हमारे
हो गया. moment है, ये भी एक moment है. Okay, Divine ने मिलाया. Yes. Okay, Divine ने मिलाया तुझे शो के बाद, तुझे सपोर्ट किया मैं धोखेबाज. So Divine introduced the two of them after the show. तूने पूछा था भाई साथ बनाते हैं, लोग जानने लगे तुझे उसके बाद. Okay, after our collab, he's saying. So was it after the collab or was it after the diss? किसके बाद जानने लगे? Make up your mind. I'm just saying. Was it after the collab that he became famous or after the diss? There are two thoughts in this track. काफी महीना लगाया मैं busy था, फिर भी गाना बनाया मैं इसके साथ. Okay, so I was very busy, but I still made a song. And by the way, that busy tha was a thi in the subtitles. I saw this on Instagram, and then because the person who did the subtitling said thi
by mistake. Oh, like पूरे गाने जिसमें constantly you're calling the other person a female, trying to insult them, self insult happened.
हाँ, तो उसको फिर blur कर दिया. The thi was blurred in this.
Oh,
they blurred it later. Okay. So funny. Okay, काफी महीना लगाया. Guys, don't send me spoilers, but sometimes they're very funny because then I know. Okay, फिर
कैसे पता लगा?
हाँ, फिर भी गाना बनाया मैं इसके साथ. आज बोलती है पिंकी मैं रैपर नहीं, बेपाब्लो हूँ, got only golden bars. Okay, fine, that's fair. That's fair. Because he wanted to collab, they collabed, and now you're saying I'm not a rapper. Then why did you come to me for a collab or want to work with me?
Correct.
Right? That makes sense. Okay. तूने डिस किया क्योंकि मैं बोला इंडिया को कर रहा मैं अकेला represent. या इंडिपेंडेंट कर रहा हूँ काम, कोई शक तेरी तरह नहीं हूँ बे मैं डिपेंड. ओके, तू कर प्रिटेंड मैं जानता हूँ, गिरफ्तार से हुआ नहीं, लेने आया तू रिवेंज, अनडिफीटेड रहूंगा जिंदगी भर, खबीब मैं ग्रेगर तू तेरा एंड. Okay, so he's saying कि I was the only one representing India in terms of an independent rapper, so why did you have to diss me for it? I mean, I don't know what he said in that track, so
See,
I'm
this is
not
a very
gonna.
personal thing.
हाँ,
Correct. This is now that started like
हाँ,
Khundas.
yeah.
Personal angst, hurt.
From what I know,
So-
Krishna first dissed him because he didn't like that he said I'm the only one representing India, and then that free verse feast came.
Okay.
So I mean that's fair because somebody starts, yeah, someone always starts. Now MMA started the beef with Raftar by being the first one to drop a diss. So whoever, anyway, ठीक है स्टार्ट उसने किया. अब तू बोलेगा ब्रो भैया ने बंटाई को शुरुआत में किया सपोर्ट. ओके, रफ्तार ने. फिर काहे को बंटाई ने रफ्तार को डिस किया, असलियत जान मेरे दोस्त. ओके, so now, okay, exactly what we're saying, that you also dissed Raftar first. Now this is the asliят. मोगा से. जब खुलेआम बोला मैं पैसा कमा रहा है, जब खुलेआम बोला मैं पैसा कमा रहा नहीं, दिल में लगा मेरे चोट. मैं साइन नहीं हुआ तो मार्केट में वैल्यू गिराने का प्लान था, ये दोस्त जान ले. Oh, so he's saying that because I didn't get signed or signed by Raftar at that time, then he wanted to गिराओ my value in the market. That's why he was saying in a public interview कि वो अभी कमा नहीं रहा है, जिससे कि मेरा वैल्यू लोगों के आंखों में कम लगे, तो मुझे उस बात से चोट लगा. So that's his explanation. Whereas this whole, so the whole, and this whole time from what I've heard, because I was there, Raj was telling us what's going on in the office. Raftar said that I didn't mean it in a bad way when I said कि अभी वो, because he was just saying कि अभी scene ये है कि ज़्यादा लोग इतना नहीं कमा पा रहे हैं, even though they're doing good work. So he never meant it in a bad way for anyone.
So that's his basically.
Yeah, they could have had a phone call man to man and cleared it out with each other.
But the rift is only going wider. Basically, यही होता है ना, misunderstandings में जो sort out ना हो.
I feel like, I don't know, man. Pick up the phone and talk to each other. Okay, दुबई में बैठ के का कर रहा था नोदी लोकेशन एंटॉप हिल कर तेरा मैप ऑन. ओके, नाउ ही इज कॉलिंग हिम टू हिज हुड. कुछ बड़े लोग के जैसा बात कर बे, बचकाने झमिया हाहा, टोपी पहनेगा तो डेंजर हो जाएगा, अबे केले पाव फेयर एंड. ओ, दिस इज द बिट वेयर द होल टॉक हैपेंड. कुछ बड़े लोग के जैसे बात कर बे, बचकानी छमिया हाहा, टोपी पहनेगा तो डेंजर हो जाएगा, अबे केले पाव फेयर एंड लवली. तू क्या टोपी पहनेगी, इस ट्राई. तो क्या टोपी पहनेगी, तेरे को तो वो लोग टोपा पहना दिए ले लाला. ओके, anyway, say, just don't laugh. I'm trying. Say my name, yeah. Okay, I think they mimicked him here. ले जशन बना आज से तू $$ नहीं आज से, कि he's attempting to change the name. मालूम है ना, but I don't think it'll stick. Like, I don't know if it's strong enough. तू तेरी गैंग सब एक साथ आ जाओ लाला, फिर भी बंटाई का कुछ उखाड़ नहीं पाओगे क्या, के यार न मेरे अंडवे के शक्ल के. व्हाट इज अंडवे? टीजर है ये, लेकिन तेरी पिक्चर में मैं बनाऊंगा. टीजर है ये, लेकिन तेरी पिक्चर मैं बनाऊंगा. ओके, गॉट इट.
जब ये लाइन आई ना कि ये टीजर है, आई चेक द टाइम, आई वाज लाइक अभी टीजर ही चल रहा है, कितना टाइम है?
I think this was around the 6th minute when I looked as well. Okay, 1 second. Where was I? This is too long. Yeah. Wait. Scroll. लेकिन तेरी पिक्चर मैं ही बनाऊंगा. हा. फिलहाल खत्म करते करते इसको थोड़े लाइन और देना पसंद करूंगा. सुनो. ओहो, ये अब आ गया फिर नेक्स्ट वर्स. तू बेसमेंट है, अपन है रूफटॉप. मतलब what does this mean? Is it fine? Okay.
It's a very direct
level.
Yeah.
हाँ. खन्ना से लेता हर रात. Okay. कलमकार को तू बना डाला बेटा डेथ रो, खरीद लूंगा पूरा लेबल, बेटा मैं हूँ स्नूप डॉग. ओके, ठीक है, फाइन, नाइस बा. फेयर एंड लवली है तू ए चिकने, 34 की लगती पर कौली है तू. व्हाट इज कौली? KAULI. I don't know. This whole like fair and lovely
age, I don't get
age.
So that
the age, the fair. हाँ, sorry.
उम्र से कहाँ भागोगे, रुको ना.
You'll also get
क्यों?
there. And also,
उम्र से क्या भागना?
I think I said this even during the Mufad Krishna thing, because he had also used the age factor against him.
हाँ.
And I was like, how is this a diss? The older you are, the
Yeah.
more you know. And for someone who's been in the game also, he clearly has more knowledge than you, just by virtue of time spent.
You know, only when you're a teenager, usually, like I remember my teenagers, and usme bhi, only then I used to think that age was a, like, you know, if someone said that they were in their 30s or 40s or whatever,
Like they're an
50s
uncle or an
older,
auntie,
yeah,
then
but
it's so
that
insulting. Oh my
I used to, yeah, get affected with that. All I call others that and giggle at it. Only I remember when I was 14 or something.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
like he's such an uncle or she's such an auntie.
Because you're such a child at that point, na, you don't get it that कि क्या हो रहा है. But I think the second आप genuinely mature होते हो और आप अपने खुद के होश संभालते हो, जहाँ पे आप खुद काम करना शुरू करते हो, generally where you know, become a grown up, an adult, you know, who's fully functional on their own and not living with parents or like, you know, staying around them and stuff like that. When I came into my own is when I was like, yeah, when am I going to be old enough where I have enough, you know, knowledge of everything around and where I'm comfortable, you know, in my life and my skin. And so I get it. I get.
So, I know what you're saying, because I just had this conversation last week with someone where I was like, I have never been cooler in my life than I'm today.
Yeah.
I get cooler with every year because I so don't give a shit about anything or anyone, you know. And I look back on like my teenage years or my 20s and I'm like, man, I want to like knock some sense into this person. She was so uncool. Like, why did she care about so many useless things? Please. So, I mean, the cooler you are, honestly, I mean, the older you are, the cooler you actually get. And that's a fact. And you'll only get that once you get older. So these kind of lines, just like logic.
So anyone who calls auntie, no, like a lot of people will send messages and all, like I've read in the comments, people try and like, and I'm thinking, auntie bol rahe hai, to now I can actually exert that influence and be like, chup, ज़्यादा बात नहीं करने का, auntie हूँ. Behave yourself. बड़ों की इज्जत करो, चुपचाप बैठो. I know. I don't know why people get. Anyway, chalo,
this is honestly, this whole discussion is for the kids who think auntie and uncle is an insult, or calling someone 34 is an insult, or whatever. Like, you know, honestly, but they're not self-aware. It's okay, they'll get there at some point.
उन्होंने अपनी बात की, हमने अपनी बात कर दी, बस वही बात है. हाँ, ठीक है.
ये जब diss में आता है ना तो बहुत funny लगता है, because it's like really okay. And the whole fair, that's another discussion. The whole fair and lovely pink thing is like, you know, let's not like, why, like, how is skin color an insult? I don't understand. And and funnily enough, here is the ulta, because sadly, unfortunately, fair skin has been given so much more like value in history. So it's funny that they're using that to attack someone.
So in slang, basically Fair and Lovely, what they're trying to do is insult a person by calling them gay. Fair and Lovely means gay. But how is someone's sexual preference again a gully? Correct.
Yeah, we said this the last time also.
Yeah, like I don't get it. Like the times are changing. Kab tak is type ka, you know, what to, like this kind of phobia, till when will it go on? And till when will one keep pointing that out and kind of pushing other people down it? Like I it's just very, chalo, theek hai. Matlab, again, it tells more about people who are using it.
No, we get the whole, guys, this is the culture. We know what kind of bars have been used in the past, and we know what kind of people are working to change that mindset as well.
Do you know how old Snoop Dogg is?
Is all good.
People who are talking about old age. People, do you know how old
By the way, he gets cooler with age, like that man.
He's so cool.
He was never as cool when he was young as he is today. Just saying.
I mean, he was cool through and through.
He's always with, but still, like today, anyway. Coming back to this, Fair and Lovely hai tu hai chikne. Okay, so I mean, I think we need to come up with
back to back gay phobia. Okay, next.
काहे का गोट गला तू फाड़ नहीं बनेगा पोपरा. Okay, this was the rabbit. But speaking of what you just said, guys, go and check out Rohan's latest sketch on Instagram. It's hilarious. It's around this only. This rapper trying really hard to not write homophobic bars, but that's all that comes out, and that he's undergoing therapy to like.
I want to watch it. That's so funny.
It's very funny. So shout out to Rohan for that. Okay. Chalo. Kahe ka goat. Gala tu phad nahi banega popra. Like Pop Smoke, who he was mimicking. Milega shot. Ragad le nahi milega spot. Dekh ke hasa mein bahut. Okay. ये लगाया बॉट्स, सब हो गए ले कॉट जमा, बोले ये सजाए मौत. This was a good bar. बोले ये सजाए मौत, अपना दिल बड़ा देख तेरी सजाए मौत. Well played. Limelight. See, there are like little झलकीज of like good writing here. Limelight चाहिए, आसपास भटक रहा है. Red alert बंटाए तेरे लिए खतरा है. Primary kids ये चड्डी में आ रहे. ए नंदू तेरा नाड़ा लटक रहा है. See, this is what it's so high school. It's so juvenile.
Yeah, the visual of Shakti
Chaddi,
Kapoor.
and then Nada, primary kids. Very strong. Okay, beef करना है मम्मी से पूछ. खा जाऊंगा करियर बचेगा नहीं कुछ. लिया घर गाड़ी हीरा, मेरी मम्मी है खुश. Okay, तुझे पैदा करके. Okay, माँ तेरी पछता रही है खुद. So sad. Okay. रफ्तार ही खुद गायब है, तू कौन सा नायब है. Was that a shout out to see them on? तेरे भैया का रेवोल्यूशन अब तक नहीं आया, पर बंटाई ने लाया बे. Okay. मैं मेरे फैंस जाने मैं हूँ रेवोल्यूशन. Now I'm gonna go through this really fast. There's still so much left. मैं मेरे फैंस जाने मैं हूँ रेवोल्यूशन. डिस करना चाह रहे अंकल रैपर्स ले लो ट्यूशन. गलत जगह घुसा अब भी वक्त ले यू टर्न. करियर तेरा गिरता देखूंगा मैं जैसे न्यूटन. Okay, interesting, nice. Fall off होगा करियर तबाह. Fall off ले आ पूरी सबा. Fall off. मेरे गाने में metaphors, reference और emotion vibe है. This line.
I disagree strongly.
Yes, thank you very much. Like, I mean, say things that make sense. Now, this didn't make sense to me at all. In this song, okay. Yes, you brought some.
हाँ, in all fairness, maybe हमारे लिए emotional content नहीं है इसमें. But maybe जिनको गाली के अंदर emotions दिखते हैं, you know, spectrum काफी wide है.
Fine.
Maybe ये सारी गालियों का कोई emotion होता होगा, तो I get it. ठीक है, fair.
Yeah, but he's
and also
saying
hurt वाला emotion था इसमें. Like I caught on to the hurt, and that's
that was there, but that was like literally in 4 lines where he's talking about मुझे चोट क्यों लगी उस टाइम पे. Okay. मेरे गाने में metaphors, reference और emotion vibe है. जिंदगी hard थी किया survive में. Fine, that's you know good. Music के जरिए से दिया दवाई में. पब्लिक को मालूम है करता तबाही में. दिल्ली का गुड़वा तू मुंबई का भाई में. ओके अगेन. चाहिए बार्स इससे जैसे ये हैं शुग नाइट. मिडनाइट पेल डाला चल गुड नाइट. Okay, so that's why he dropped this track at midnight for this line to make sense. बस हो गया भाई बस हो गया. बस नाके पे रेल. This is all the talk bit I think. बस नाके पे रेल फाटे पे और पिंकी तू मेरे हा हा हा. फैन से बुलाता है तू. ओके एंड देन तू तेरा गैंग. ओके हंसते रहे पिंकी. फिनिश. सो ओके
finito.
How was my radio edit though? I feel like
I mean, I was really hoping that for every gali you would say okay, so by the end of it I could be like it's the okay track is ready, but you didn't. After a while you just started muting it, so I was very disappointed.
Okay.
but
listen.
I like it. I think there's a lot of like we said, and I think after going through the lyrics, definitely that's come across that there were some really good bars. Yeah, like actually मजे वाली bars थी. लेकिन जैसे ही मजा आना शुरू होता था, फिर कोई ऐसे गाली गलोच वाली line, and not normal गाली, like थोड़ा कुछ ज़्यादा ही. That it kind of, you know, throws you back. You're like इतनी अच्छी flow बन रही थी, इतनी अच्छी like back to back अच्छा वाला वो हो रहा था. Then why suddenly like you know like it disconnects you? Then you stop enjoying the song. At least that was happening to me, and I know it was happening to you as well. So, you know, it's like hot and cold, constant hot and cold.
Yeah. So this was definitely a better track than round one, for sure. Like, no doubt about it. No doubt.
Imagine if this, yeah.
But again, so at the time of the first one, we felt like just galis. Cannot relate, connect, nothing. In this, a lot of galis, but a lot of other things as well, which interested me more. So if I remove the hook, and I remove the galis and the little cringe portions at the start, in the middle, at the end, the talk bits, which are just literally galis. Then those verses put together would probably be a 3.5-4 minute, which would be a very strong like track.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
No, there were quite a few. Sure. It would be a strong track because I won't remove all the lines of the. It would be a strong track. I feel like this track was stretched out for that 7.5 minute solar eclipse line. One, that's like my brain works in logic, so that's how I'm taking it. That's the only explanation I can give. And I did not connect with it for the reasons we have said, which, you know, was a little too below the belt, personal, and, you know, like in the case of the Raftar attack, probably lack of facts as well. So while some of the bars were really strong in terms of they actually made sense and they were well written and they had good references and underlying meanings with it, those were there. There were also a lot of attacks which made no sense, which we commented on while reading it. So it was a good mix in the sense, way better than round one, but again, very tiresome to listen to at a stretch. I was honestly 2-3, like I said, 2-3 times had to check.
You're exhausted.
Listen, while listening to it, I was like, and this is not, we've sat through really intense songs, like Haath Bandh by Yunus was like a 5.5, almost 6 minute. And we sat through it without feeling like the track lost me at any point, you know, and that was also, he went ham. So then there's something to be said about the structure of this song, which is the ha 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 he very,
like, I feel, imagine
Gali high school attack.
If this whole thing got reversed, like abhi, you're not going towards like 8 minutes and longer tracks. Imagine if one went the opposite way, कि कितना छोटा track आप बना सकते हो, लेकिन उसको कितना घातक बना सकते हो. Like, you know, how crazy and how, like, you know, hard hitting can you make a thing in the smallest possible time? And that is like, you know, that's where expertise comes up.
That's probably what, that's probably what Krishna will do. He'll probably do a 4-minute track and say, I only need half time to finish you off or something. I mean, you know, because this just went on, and like, so that's my first, like, that's my first, I know we are also going on, but then itna lamba hai to then we will take that much time. So anyway, he has definitely upped the game. He's definitely used a lot more bars, you know, interesting references. He's used a lot of Krishna's song names. He's used good attacks for even Raftar and justifying his stance of why he dissed him first. So there's substance in this track for sure that will need very strong comebacks from Krishna, you know, because now, like, that was, Krishna said in his tweet that I was just having fun. Like, I think the time to have fun is now over, you know. I think maybe it's time to get rid of the snake cap, which was easy level, and actually put on the beef cap, because the aggression is very evident in this track and its video and everything. The guy has come full guns blazing. So,
but you're sure Krishna will come back with a reply, or do you think he'll take the high road?
Sure. Like, no. Now, like, after track one, there was a little doubt, but after this, because he's gone so personal, no way. The personal attacks are way too this thing. I don't know. I would, but I don't think he'll go to that level. I'm hoping he does it, because you can't. I mean, I don't know. What do you think? I honestly hope it doesn't go more personal than this, because I don't.
Then it's like voice notes, ek dusre ko wo ladai chal rahi hai unki, and we're just like side party listening to, like, you know, popcorn khate hue, listening to someone's personal fight going on, which is getting very, very dirty. That's what then it sounds like. And if
it's getting very dirty, and I'm just extremely pissed off that it's gone to someone's mother. Like, I don't know, man. Some things are just, and it's not just one. It was said 2-3 times, you know. I feel like let's just leave loved ones out of our beefs with each other. It's not going to be a great thing for the scene.
Not just everyone. Yeah, like just
everyone, because there are people who listen and who then mimic, you know.
And a lot of people, and if they can get influence, they don't know where to draw the line. They think it's real.
I mean, you and I see it anyway in the galis we get from a certain crowd.
Yeah, people don't know where to draw the line.
So, you know, if you're gonna go on inspiring these kids, set your own, like, draw your own lines first, because I don't know, man. I don't know. There's this whole, like, debate of like, oh, this is hip hop, guys, get used to it. I'm sorry, but a culture doesn't define you. You define the culture. A culture comes from the people who are a part of it. So you don't just take something from whatever part of the world and their issues and their socio-political landscape and try and imbibe it in your own. No, it has to mold according to your cultural sensitivities in your environment and in the people that you are surrounded with and the people who are your listening audience, right? And their sensitivities and their mindsets are different.
And just to set the record straight, even what one is saying that, oh, it happens in the West. over there also other celebrities
speak up about
are
it,
calling people out.
yes.
Yeah, and saying that this is not okay. So it's not just ke wo karte hain to hum bhi karenge. First of all, to right there, like Joe said very nicely and in a very nicely articulated way, it's not required. And second of all, even if you go into it and you say कि अरे वो कर रहे हैं तो हमें, तो उनको भी रोका जा रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कर रहे हैं, nobody is getting affected with it. So कौन से culture कहाँ की बात हो रही है यार? चलो कोई नहीं, ठीक है.
This is the funny thing, no? The logic, the argument of ये तो है और ऐसा ही चला आ रहा है और ऐसा ही होता है is so archaic. You're like, really, अगर ऐसे ही पूरी दुनिया में लोग सोचते forever and ever, then there would be no positive changes in the world. There would be no new laws to counter old bad things and old bad practices or whatever, you know. Let's get a little progressive in our mindset. And not use arguments like that. So anyway, we are just saying all this because there was a lot said in this track, which completely, like, my moral compass has gone and it's completely shattered into pieces. Yeah, the glass is all over my room, so I'm just very irritated. So theek hai. All that being said, round 2 has definitely made it more interesting, as we had hoped would happen at the end of round 1. So now let's see when the reply comes, you know. And we're covering this again because we're covering the beef. The audiences who are now interested in attacking our DMs and the comment section below with your beautiful vocabulary that you all have, don't bother, because you're just going to get blocked and nothing you say affects us. So on that note, let's see when the reply comes. If it comes.
Yeah.
One can never be completely sure.
Or who replies? Someone else might choose to join the beef. You never know.
Ooh.
Hai na?
I mean, it could happen, but I don't think it'll happen. I don't think Raftaar is going to jump. I don't think he's like, I think he's moved beyond it. Plus, like, I mean, if you now reply to something like this that was said, it just opens up a whole other can of worms. Like,
yeah,
you know, it'll just get to this thing. And I feel like this is like, I don't know, man. Oh, okay. I'm just saying, like, this could go legal if people really wanted to this thing, but I don't think even that will happen, because again, it's like taking a point and stretching it out, which no one wants to do. You know, it's too personal and too private for other people to comment on. Chalo, on that note, I think bakwas bahut ho gayi hamari. Let's go from here. Take care of yourselves and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.